careful you don't drive through it.
I didn't try.
You just hurt the dog.
Sorry, Dawn.
You've reached 911 emergency for the city of Los Angeles. Do not hang up. Your call will be answered by the next available operator. Please remain on the line. If you hang up and call back, your call will be delayed further. Please stay on the line.
Mom told me Elsa died. I'm sorry, buddy. Were you upset?
Yeah.
Holy shit! Son of a... Oh!
Say, oh yeah, what do you want to do for the time being? So, oh shit, I have no idea. Yeah. What an ass. Wow, okay.
Right? Well, our friends at Zero Res, when they come to clean your carpet, man, your carpet is going to be clean. It's going to be fresh. It's going to be new looking. The stains you thought were permanent are, in most cases, going to be out of it. It's going to feel better under...
Was dancing his batty line to Volare Human.
You're listening to Robbie Peters on Solar Radio.
This will be truly amazing.
The Great Yarmouth Soul Weekend, 23rd to the 26th of September 2022 at the luxurious Vauxhall Holiday Park, Great Yarmouth. Live and direct from the USA, Gene Khan and Shirley Jones of the Jones Girls, and UK jazz funk legends Shack Attack, with solo radio DJs John Osborne.
Oh my god.
What's your problem, you asshole? You know I pull over for them, and you come up. What are you talking about? Why would you do that?
I'm getting a photographic memory of your face. I'll see you soon.
It's okay, bud. Thanks. You could just say sorry. You could just say, my bad, man. You could just say, my bad, man, and just be done. Off.
Siapa baru kampus mesti konsep dela crășământ, dar
Ia uite-mă, mă.
Come on, let's go. And you're a idiot for pulling out.